Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. Neal Katyal, the son of Indian immigrants and a former acting Solicitor General of the United States, has emerged as a central figure behind the landmark Supreme Court ruling that struck down President Donald Trump's sweeping tariff. Katyal has argued before the Supreme Court that Trump's use of the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act to impose tariffs on imports from nearly all major trading partners amounted to unjust and unconstitutional taxation. He maintained that the Constitution grants Congress, not the President, the authority to levy taxes. Following the 6-3 verdict, Katyal said the Supreme Court has upheld the rule of law and reinforced the principle that while presidents hold significant power, the Constitution remains supreme. He stated that the ruling made it clear that only Congress has the authority to impose taxes on the American people. The case was filed by small businesses and supported by the Liberty Justice Center. The Trump administration has defended the tariff, arguing that they are necessary for national security and economic leverage, citing trade deficits and the financial crisis as emergency nationals. Katyal described the judgment as a major constitutional milestone. He said the court had granted everything sought in the legal challenge and emphasized that the case was about protecting the separation of powers rather than targeting any individual president. He added that he was gratified to see the Supreme Court safeguard fundamental constitutional values. Born in Chicago to Indian immigrant parents, his father a doctor and his mother an engineer, Katyal is a graduate of Dartmouth College and Yale Law School. He previously clerked for Justice Stephen Breyer at the U.S. Supreme Court. Appointed acting Solicitor General by President Barack Obama in 2010, Katyal represented the federal government in numerous cases before the Supreme Court and appellate courts. He has argued more than 50 cases before the top court, setting records for minority advocates. Currently, a partner at Milbank LLP and a professor at Georgetown University Law Center, Katyal specializes in constitutional and appellate litigation. His notable cases include defending the Voting Rights Act of 1965, challenging Trump's 2017 travel ban, and securing unanimous decisions in major environmental and national security disputes. He also served as special prosecutor for the state of Minnesota in murder case of George Floyd and authorized the book Impeach, the case against Donald Trump. In interviews following the ruling, Katyal said that the outcome demonstrated the strength of America's constitutional system. He remarked that the country's legal framework allows even the son of immigrants to challenge the action of the most powerful office in the world and prevail if the Constitution is on their side. He described the decision as a powerful reminder that no president is above the law. The Supreme Court's ruling is expected to significantly limit a president's ability to use emergency economic powers to impose broad tariffs.
I mean, I can tell you that I've been on the losing end of Supreme Court decisions, both as the government's top lawyer and in private practice or representing pro bono clients. I have deep respect for the court and always do, whether I win or lose. One of the great things about the American system is what just happened today. I mean, just think about it. I was able to go to court, the son of immigrants, able to go to court and say on behalf of American small businesses, hey, this president is acting illegally. And I was able to present my case, have them ask really hard questions at me. It was a really intense oral argument. And at the end of it, they voted and we won. That is something so extraordinary about this country, the idea that we have a system that self-corrects, that allows us to say, you might be the most powerful man in the world, but you still can't break the Constitution. I mean, that to me is what today is about.
The Supreme Court's ruling is expected to significantly limit a president's ability to use emergency economic powers to impose broad tariffs without explicit congressional authorization, reinforcing Congress' central role in matters of taxation. That's all for now in this update. Stay tuned to the Savera. Download the app and follow us on various social media platforms.